Hello children, welcome to our channel. My name is Rashi and in this video we will be starting with question number 4 of exercise 9.1. So the name of the chapter is Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Chapter number 9, exercise 9.2, class 8. So we have done question number 1, 2 and question number 3 of exercise 9.2, in which we calculated the products of 2 or 3 expressions, monomial expressions, binomial expressions. Alright, now question number 4 says obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height. Respectively. So in this question we have to find the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height. So children, if I talk about the volume of a rectangular box, volume means what? Volume means जो उसके अंदर का जो space है, that is the volume. इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है that this is not a 2D figure. ये एक ऐसा rectangle तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, because इसके अंदर कुछ volume है. It means it is a 3D rectangle, and 3D rectangle कैसा दिखता है? Like this. This is a 3D rectangle जिसके अंदर कुछ shape है. इसको हम cuboid कहते हैं. This is a cuboid. Okay, so ये हमारे पास कुछ rectangular boxes हैं. ऐसा हमें बोला गया है question में. So rectangular boxes हैं. So basically we can say हमारे पास cuboid हैं. Okay, and we have to calculate the volume of these boxes. And volume of cuboid का formula क्या होता है? Length into breadth into height. Okay, so we are given the length, breadth and height in the parts and हमें उससे उसका volume निकालना है. So basically again we have to multiply all the 3 expressions. Okay, so volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. Now rectangular box जो है हमारे पास वो 3D है, 2D नहीं है. ठीक है, दिस इज फर्स्ट थिंग. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट कि जो उसका वॉल्यूम होता है दैट इज द इनसाइड एरिया, जो हम उसके अंदर का जो एरिया होता है वो कितना है. जैसे अगर ये बॉक्स है हमारे पास, एक क्यूबॉइड है, तो इसके अंदर हम कितना हमारा मटेरियल स्टोर कर सकते हैं, दैट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट बॉक्स. ओके, सो द फॉर्मूला फॉर वॉल्यूम इज लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट. Now let's come to part number 1, which says 5a 3a square and 7a 4 a to the power 4. So these are the length, breadth and height. This is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height. And now we have to calculate the volume. So volume of rectangular box equals to length into breadth into height. Okay, so length is 5a. अब लेंथ ही 5a क्यों है? Because see, in the question it is given that rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. And now respectively means that जो सबसे पहले होगा वो length होगी, जो उसके बाद होगा that will be the breadth, and जो last में होगा that will be the height. Okay, so सबसे पहले यहाँ पे हमारे पास है 5a. So 5a is the length. Now 3a square is the breadth and height is 7a to the power 4. So we have to basically multiply all these three monomial expressions. ये monomial expressions ही तो है, so we have to multiply them. So let's multiply the numerals separately and then we will multiply the variables. So 5 3s are, or let's do this, 7 3s are 21 and 21 5s are, so 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So we have 105. So ये तो हमारे numerals multiply हो गए. Now let's come to the variable. अब variable है हमारे पास a to the power 1, a to the power 2 and a to the power 4. So what we can write is a to the power 1 plus 2 plus 4. ठीक है? So this will be 105 a to the power 4 5 6 7. So a to the power 7 will be the answer. So the answer is 105 a to the power 7. This is the volume of first rectangular box. Okay. Now let's come to second part. So you see how we multiplied the variables. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था that variable अगर same है तो it means like terms है and हमें उनको multiply करना है तो हमें वो उसके पार को add करना है. So यहाँ पे 4 है, we have here we have 2 and here we have 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 will give us 7. So a to the power 7 is the answer. Now let's come to second part. In second part we have 2p, 4q and 8r. 2p, 4q and 8r. So now we know that 2p is the length, right? 2p is the length, 4q is the breadth and 8r is the height. Right? So now we know that volume of rectangular box equals to length into breadth into height. So it means length is 2p, breadth is 4q and height is 8r. Right? So now we have the variables are not same, right? But we have numerals. तो पहले हम numerals को multiply करते हैं. So it will be 2 4s are 8 and 8 8s are 64. Now P, Q and R as it is नीचे copy हो जाएंगे P, Q, R. So this is the answer. Because हमारे पास same variables नहीं थे तो हमने उनकी पावर को add नहीं किया. So that's why हमें पता था that 2p to the power 1 है, q to the power 1 है and r to the power भी 1 ही है. तो उनको as it is हमने copy कर दिया. ठीक है? So this was our second part. Now let's come to the third and fourth part. So children, in the third part we have length as xy, okay, breadth is 2x square y and height is 2x y square. Okay, so now we have to find the volume. So first let's write, this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height, right? So volume of rectangular box equals to length into breadth into height. As we all know, volume of rectangular box or volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So length is xy, breadth is 2x square y, and height is 2xy square. Now we have to multiply all these three monomial expressions. So first let's multiply the numerals. Numerals हमारे पास यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, and here also we have 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, अब 1 से तो multiply करेंगे तो वही आएगा. So 4 आ गया. ठीक है, अब हमारे पास बचा x and y वेरिएबल्स बचे. Now x कितनी बार है हमारे पास? We have x to the power 1, x to the power 2 and x to the power 1. So हमारे पास हो गया x to the power 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, right? And similarly y to the power 1 है, y to the power 1 है and y to the power 2. So y to the power भी हो गया हमारे पास 4. So it means the volume of box is 4x to the power 4, y to the power 4. So this is the volume of rectangular box in part number 3. So simply हमें क्या माइंड में रखना है, that first we have to multiply all the numerals. Numerals को multiply करके एक साइड पे लिख लो. Then come to the variables, and variable की पार को करना होता है add, but वो भी सिर्फ like terms की. x की पार से ही add होगा and y की पार से ही add होगा. Okay, and also children, addition and subtraction में तो we have to keep like terms under like terms, but in multiplication we can multiply unlike terms as well. हम कर ही रहे हैं ना multiply, ये सब unlike terms हैं. ठीक है, so हम इनको multiply कर ही रहे हैं. So multiplication can be between unlike terms as well, but addition and subtraction cannot be. Okay, so this was our third part. Now let's come to the fourth part. So the fourth part is A, 2B and 3C. A, 2B and 3C. So now we have length as A, we have breadth as 2B, and we have height as 3C. Okay, because we know that सबसे पहले जो आएगी that would be the length, then breadth and then height. So volume of rectangular box will be equal to length into breadth into height, where length is A, breadth is 2B and height is 3C. Okay, so now we have 1 with this A. As we all know, अगर कुछ भी नहीं है तो 1 है. And now we'll multiply the numerals. 2 into 3 is 6. Right, and A, B, C. अब ये तीनों different है, तो A to the power 1 है, B to the power भी 1 है, C to the power भी 1 है. So A, B, C would be as it is. Alright, so 6 A, B, C is the answer. Okay, so this was our part number 4, and with this we have completed our question number 4 also. So now let's come to question number 5. Now let's start with question number 5. So question number 5 is obtain the product of So in this question we have to obtain the product, means again we have to multiply, and multiply what? Expressions, right? So the first part is xy, yz and zx, right? Yes. So हमारे पास first part है, we have three monomial expressions. Now again we have to multiply these monomial expressions, right? So as we all know children, we have to add the power of like terms. अब इसमें ये वैसे तो तीनों unlike terms हैं, ठीक है, बट इसमें एक like factor है, x y इन दोनों में सेम है, z इन दोनों में सेम है, राइट? बट हमें बोला गया है we have to multiply all three. So what we'll write is product equals to xy into yz into zx. I hope this is clear. Now अब x कितनी बार है? 2 times, y 2 times and z also 2 times. So simply what we can write, x to the power 2, y to the power 2, z to the power 2, because see यहाँ पे x to the power raised to the power 1 है, and यहाँ पे भी we have x raised to the power 1 and x raised to the power 1 plus 1 हो जाएगा ये, right? ऐसे ही this would be y 1 plus 1 and z raised to the power 1 plus 1, because इन सब की पावर यहाँ पे मुझे 1 दिख रही है, right? So simply what we can write, x square, y square and z square. This is the answer. So the product of xy, yz and zx equals to x square, y square, z square. Okay. So this was our part number 1. Now let's come to the second part. Now the second part is a minus a square and a to the power 3, right? Yes, minus a square and a to the power 3. So this is the second part. Now we have to multiply all these three monomial expressions. So the product will be a इंटू माइनस ए स्क्वायर इंटू ए क्यूब, ठीक है? अब पहले तो हम माइनस का साइन देखते हैं. वी हैव प्लस हेयर एंड वी हैव प्लस हेयर. हमारे पास एक ही माइनस है. अगर हमारे पास 2 माइनस होते तो माइनस से माइनस कट हो जाता, बट इधर कट नहीं होगा, सो माइनस भी एज इट इज प्रोडक्ट में आ जाएगा. नाउ वी हैव ए. अब ए टू द पावर 1 है, ए टू द पावर 2 एंड ए टू द पावर 3. सो दिस वुड बी ए टू द पावर 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 3. So this would be minus a to the power 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus a to the power 6 is the product of these three monomial expressions. Okay. अब ये 6 कैसे आया? 3 में हमने 2 ऐड किया, 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. वैसे भी अगर हम देखें तो we have 3 a's, 3 plus 2 again 5 a's and plus 1 6 a's. ठीक है. और माइनस का साइन तो एज इट इज कॉपी हो गई, बिकॉज 1 है. अगर 2 माइनस के साइन होते तो कट हो जाते, राइट? सो दिस वाज आवर सेकेंड पार्ट. नाउ लेट्स कम टू थर्ड पार्ट. Now children, third part of this same question. Third part is 2 4y 8y squared and 16y cube. So in this question we have 4 monomial expressions, right? So अब हमें इन 4 monomial expressions को multiply करना है. मैंने आपको बोला था चाहे 4 हो, 5 हो, 6 हो, doesn't matter. We have to multiply the numerals first and then we have to multiply the variables. So product will be equal to 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. So now let's multiply the numerals first. Okay, now 2 4s are 8 and 8 8s are 64. So now we have to multiply 64 and 16. ठीक है, 16 ही बचा ना अब हमारे पास. So 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 2 is 38. Now 1 4s are 4 and 1 6 are 6. So we have 4, 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 carry, right? 6 7 8 9 10. So 1 0 2 4. बट ये तो अभी हमने न्यूमरल्स को मल्टीप्लाई किया. नाउ विल मल्टीप्लाई दी वेरिएबल्स. नाउ वेरिएबल्स इधर तो कुछ भी नहीं है. हियर वी हैव y टू द पावर 1. ठीक है, ये है y टू द पावर 1, y टू द पावर 2 एंड y टू द पावर 3. सो टोटल कितना हो गया? 3 4 5 6. सो y टू द पावर 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it means we have 1024 y to the power 6. This is the answer. Okay, 1024 y to the power 6. Now let's come to the fourth part, children. So fourth part is a to b 3c, a to b 3c and 6abc. So we have these four monomial expressions. So the product would be a into 2b into 3c into 6ab c, right? Now with a we have 1. Okay, so let's multiply the numerals. 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 into 6 is nothing but 36. अब 36 में हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है a b c. सो a b c तीनों सेपरेट है तो a b c हो गया एंड a b c एक बार और है. मीन्स a भी 2 times, b भी 2 times and 3 भी 2 times. सो बेसिकली a square b square c square आ जाएगा. So this would be 36 a square b square c square. This is the product, right? This is the answer. How? Because a हमारे पास 2 times है, b भी 2 times है and c भी 2 times है. So 1 plus 1 पार हो जाएगी. That would be 2. Okay. So this was our fourth part. Now let's come to the last part of this question. Now let's come to fifth part, children. Fifth part is m minus mn and mnp. So this is the fifth part. Now we have three monomial expressions. So the product of these three monomial expressions would be m into minus mn into mnp. So let's come. अब इसमें numerals तो हमारे पास है नहीं. So it means हमें numerals तो multiply करने ही नहीं. 1 1 1 है and that would be 1 only. So m कितने बार है? पहले तो माइनस का साइन देख लो. माइनस का साइन we have just 1 time. So yes, it would be कैरीड ओवर. ये तो इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते. माइनस अगर 2 times होता तो कट जाता, राइट? सो वी हैव 1 time माइनस, तो ये भी आएगा. नाउ m इज 3 times. सो यू विल राइट m टू द पावर 3. n इज 2 times, n टू द पावर 2 and p is 1 time. So P will remain 1 only. So this is the answer. This is the product of M minus Mn and Mn P. ठीक है? That is minus M cube n square P. ठीक है? क्योंकि P तो 1 टाइम ही था, n 2 टाइम्स है तो 2 to the power 2 and M 3 टाइम्स है तो m raised to the power 3. Okay? So this was our part number 5 of question number 5, and with this question we have completed our exercise 9.2 also. Okay, so if you have any doubt in exercise 9.1 or 9.2 or any doubt in the previous chapter that we have discussed, so you can mention in our comment section below. So my next video would be starting with exercise 9.3. Okay, so stay tuned for my next video. Till then, practice each and every question very carefully. Okay, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.